Peace Media Lab presents Understanding Conflict V-Series. How to handle a violent conflict. Conflict is like fire. If it's not immediately extinguished, it will continuously spread. To extinguish the fire, it needs the cooperation from stakeholders, which consist of group of police, military, group of community leaders, religious leaders, and traditional leaders. Group of non-governmental organizations and group of researchers, also group of mass media. The police and military duty is to extinguish the hotspots by stopping the violent and doing security enforcement. Thomas, Toga, and Toda cooperate to keep the fire to not spread by giving an understanding to the people with religious approaches. NGO and group of researchers help to locate the fire from spreading. Media banishes the wind of negative information by presenting soothing information. The duty of stakeholders is not to stop when the violent conflict stops, because the fire probably can be extinguished, but the source of the problem has not solved yet. Political will becomes the determinant point in handling the conflict until it ends. Furthermore, all parties should enforce law products like the acts which can prevent the conflict occur. In Indonesia as a context, there is an act about handling the social conflict, which is the Act number 7 in 2012, and also there is the President Instruction number 1 in 2004 about handling internal security disturbances, also many kinds of minister decision related with management and rescue resources. In order to prevent conflict in the future, it is required to have the accuracy and the ability to detect the conflict earlier. All this time, in general, the efforts of conflict resolutions are like a firefighter that arrives in the location when the fire has almost burnt a region. We are always late. Through a new perspective in seeing a conflict, then we will be more proactive in resolving the conflict and also in anticipating and preventing the conflict from the beginning. This comprehensive approach is what we called as the dynamic framework of conflict prevention and resolution.